Today we're going to have a look at the dashboard within Jupyter Office. As you can see, when we first load up Jupyter Office, we are shown a multiple of panels, all displaying different information about the current state of play on the tills today. On the left hand side we can see a financial report, which is a breakdown of each individual type of sale, each individual media sale, and things like no sales, refunds, voids will all appear on this panel here. In the next panel we have the media in drawer, which is what the till has inside the drawer and how it has come about. So here we can see, for example, 68% of sales today have been done by cash. If we hover over, we can see that it's £108.10. Same with any other medias. Here will appear your credit card, vouchers, any other medias you may use, and below just gives you a breakdown. Next we have group classes, which is your wet and food. This could be other things, for example VAT, non-VAT, or however you have your upper class of system groups within the system. Next, that's broken down into product groups, which is your group classes broken down into the next tier. So here we can see draft from the grill, and here you may have lots of different things like wines and spirits. Again, underneath we have a text breakdown of that. Next we'll have a net sales by time period. This would be every hour of the day that you've been open so far and how those sales have appeared. If we scroll down, the next section we have top 20 products by quantity and top 20 products by value. Promotions, this section here will be any items today that have been sold within a promotion and the value that the promotions have been. Next we have a stock alert. This is if you use stock control side of the system, is alerting you to any items which are below your minimum value. Next we have sales by clerk. So this is every member of staff who has used the till today and how much money they've actually put into the drawer. Finally we have time cards, and the time cards is your clocking in and clocking out system, and there you would have multiple staff and shows you what time they clocked in, whether they've had a break, whether they're clocked out. This, as standard, is for today, and when it will always default for today. However, we can actually put in any date, any time range within there, from and to, or we can use one of the shortcut keys across the top. For example, we could click on YTD, years to date. We always click apply, wait a few seconds, and the system will then show us that same information, but this time for year to date. We can also use the location selection, and we can add and remove locations which we wish to look at. Again, always clicking apply. So here we can see for the 1st of the 1st to the 9th of the 8th, we can see all the information just like we did before, but just for that location that we've selected and just for the time range that we've selected as well.